In today's video, I am going to teach you how to simplify conversion tracking in Google Analytics. The main idea in Google Analytics 4 is to stop tracking everything and start focusing on the actions that truly matter to your business. In GA4, these important actions are called key events. When you mark an event as a key event, it becomes a conversion, which makes reporting cleaner and easier to trust. To begin, go to Google Analytics and land on the home screen for your GA4 property. From here, look to the lower left side and click Admin. This is where you manage the settings that control how your data is organized and displayed. Inside Admin, find the section called Data Display and click it. Then select Events. This Events page is your central hub for reviewing the events GA4 is already collecting. You will often see a mix of automatically collected events and events coming from your website or app setup, sometimes through Google Tag Manager. Now, take a moment to scan the list. You may see events such as tutorial_begin, e-commerce_purchase, and app_update. The goal here is not to turn everything into a conversion. Instead, choose events that represent real business value, like a purchase or a lead submission. Using recommended event names, such as purchase or generate_lead, helps keep your setup consistent and easier to integrate with other Google tools. Click into an event like tutorial_begin to review it. Then click into e-commerce_purchase, and then app_update. As you review these, think in terms of outcomes. Purchases are usually a strong candidate for a key event, while other events may be useful for analysis but not necessary as conversions. If the event you need does not exist yet, you can create one without writing code. Back on the Events page, click Create Event. This lets you build a new event based on matching conditions, such as turning a specific page view into a conversion event. For example, if you have a confirmation page after a form submission, you can create an event where the page location contains a thank you path. This approach simplifies tracking because you are defining conversions directly in the GA4 interface instead of relying on custom scripts. Once your key events are clearly defined and limited to what matters, your conversion reporting becomes much easier to read and maintain. That covers everything you need to know.